Hi, Phil Heeley from Inclusive Music, and in this video we're going to create a hip-hop beat with 8 variations. Pattern A, kick drum. Each beat is recorded in a separate pattern. This is pattern B. Pattern C, I've added the hi-hats. Pattern D, the open hi-hats. Pattern E, a little tom. Pattern F, an extra snare. Pattern G, an extra hi-hat. Pattern H, an extra tom. Now we can use the patterns, changing them at random. And this is how you can construct a really interesting song. Keep practicing, try different things out. Now we're going to add the beat variations to the track. Select a pattern, click Add, and up it comes on the track. Click on bar 2, select a new pattern, click Add, and up it comes on the track. Click on bar 3, select a pattern, add, and up it comes on the track. Keep repeating this process, selecting the pattern, clicking add, and select the next bar. This can be done in any order you please. But for this demonstration, I've just gone from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. In the next video, we're going to experiment by changing the drum kit, which will have a dramatic effect on the sound of the beat.